Good day, people from wherever you are in the world. My name is Johan Botha. I'm from South Africa, and I want to tell you about X3 Matrix. Now you can enter this Matrix program that's managed by the smart contract to assist yourself. And let's run through this presentation as quickly as possible. I don't want to spend too much time here. Many people, they don't have time to attend the Zoom meeting, so I'm making this recording and I will send it out on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on X3 updates as well as other platforms that we are involved in. So what is X3 Matrix? First of all, before we start with the presentation, I must read you this disclaimer. This presentation is provided for educational and informational purposes only. X3 Matrix is a blockchain-based smart contract participation system using BNB on the OPBNB network, and nothing in here is to be taken as financial investment, legal, or tax advice. So do your own research as always and participate only with funds that you can afford to lose if you decide to join X3 Matrix. No one is forced to do anything. You decide what you want to do. You have total freedom in this platform. Right? You are responsible for your own tax declarations in the country where you are staying, and nothing is guaranteed. No earnings are guaranteed. The smart contract cannot fail. If the codes are met, it will execute immediately. But as we know, we cannot guarantee anything in this industry. So yes, cryptocurrency participation also involves risk, and it has its own unique risks involved. Please be aware of that and make sure that you do understand that as well. And then the figures that are shown in this presentation are for illustration purposes and it's not promises. So, but the smart contract will execute exactly as it has been coded. So yes, participate only with funds that you can afford to lose. And please do not go and sell your car or your house and use your food money or your rent money to join any platform for that matter. And then I want to read you Hebrews 13 verse 5 from the Bible that says, make sure that your character is free from the love of money and being content with what you have. So I want to make it 100% clear that we are not chasing money, we're not making a god out of money, but we all need income to survive on a daily basis. So you can see X3 as a tool to assist you financially. It is not a job, it's not a business. You can run it as a business, you can use it as a tool as well. But we are all in the same current global crisis, and there's more than one crisis worldwide at the moment. So, according to the World Bank in 2026, the global growth remains slow and uncertain. The cost of living pressure is still affecting ordinary households. Many people are looking for extra income options outside of traditional jobs. We see it on a daily basis. Companies are closing down, retrenching their employees. Like companies are closing down, they are leaving their jobs, they are making companies redundant. So in the mining industry all over, we can see that happening. But with the rise of the internet and the digital tools, blockchain access and community participation are becoming more and more relevant each and every day. As we see more and more programs coming up and people creating them, and it's for one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to increase your income or get a secondary source of income, an additional source of income, or a mainstream income if you want to do it that way. Okay, so this does not make any platform risk-free though. We need to educate ourselves on the risks and how to manage that safely. Right, so it simply explains the need for affordable alternatives. Right, the key message that we need to take away is that people all over the world need a practical, low barrier way to learn, to connect, and to participate in this online industry. Right, so there is hundreds of options. X3 is just one of them, and you can use that to benefit yourself if you choose to do that. And you will see later in the presentation how easy it actually is. Right, so before we continue with the mechanics of X3, it is important to understand why systems like this attract attention. Across the world, many households are under pressure from slow economic growth, rising living costs, and I don't really have to elaborate more on this. We all know what the current situation of the economy is worldwide, and people are looking for practical ways to participate in digital economies, learn blockchain tools, and create additional possibilities. Right, X3 should be understood in this context. It offers a low entry smart contract managed or based structure on the OPBNB network where routing can be verified on chain. It is 100% transparent. Everything is available and it's open to the public. All right, so but this must be said clearly. X3 is not a rescue plan. It's not a guaranteed income. It's not a promise of financial success. It is a voluntary participation system of real risk. The opportunity is in understanding the rules, qualifying correctly, verifying transactions if it needs to be, and then also participating responsibly. So you need to be responsible for your own income and finances, how you manage that. Right? Please be responsible if you decide to join. Right, let's look at what is X3 Matrix. So yeah, in part one, X3 Matrix is a peer-to-peer blockchain participation platform that uses smart contract to route BNB between participating wallets according to predetermined qualification. Now that predetermined qualification is the codes that the smart contract has been written with. Once those codes are met, it executes immediately, instantly. If you are in line for a payment or an upgrade or a recycle, it is done instantly. All right, so participants may accrue additional BNB when program conditions are met. When you meet these requirements, the smart contract automates it and executes in an instant. All right, so it's got a low barrier of entry, very, very low. So level 1 starts with a small 0.001 BNB, which is about 10 Rand in South Africa or 55 US dollar cents. So it's under $1. But you will also see that you are able to upgrade to higher levels. But that's totally up to you and your choice how you want to do that. So it is a voluntary participation platform. Nothing can be guaranteed as any income. So as in any platform, no one can guarantee anything. Right, so it's a decentralized 14 slot matrix on the OPBNB. You register once, you refer a minimum of 2 other partners or more. That is the basic and the minimum requirement for you to qualify to benefit from the matrix and to earn BNB as your team grows. Right, so it is very a low entry and it's a fast flow smart contract managed platform. So it's rules based. It's not a promise of income, but you only need the internet connection and the smart contract will execute once those codes are met. Right, so blockchain and smart contract. Blockchain records transactions on chain, on the blockchain basically. It's records that no one can change, no one can defraud you, no one can manipulate the blockchain. Right, it's recorded in real time. It is there forever. You cannot delete it, you cannot alter it. So all of the records are on chain for a lifetime. Right, so smart contracts applies programmed routing rules. The wallet that you are going to manage, you approve the transaction and the contract executes the logic of the smart contract. Right, if you need to be paid, you will be paid. If you need to upgrade, the smart contract will upgrade you. If you need to recycle back into the same level, the smart contract will do that for you. The only manual thing you need to do is to register and to upgrade, basically. Right, so OPBNB was chosen because it's super fast and it's extremely low transaction fees or gas fees, almost zero or next to nothing. Right, so the code execution still carries technical risk that is out of our hands. That is where the internet completely collapses or there's some bug in the blockchain that no one can fix, but those things, those risks are out of our hands, and the chance of that happening is almost zero. Right, so the contract is designed to follow its coded rules when valid conditions are met. And here is the smart contract address. You will see it on your dashboard as well, like this. So what is X3 and what it is not? Right, for the sake of time, I'm not going to go straight to the smart contract at this moment. I will do that in a separate recording and explain the smart contract as well. Right, what it is a smart contract system. It is not an investment. That is to be understood clearly. This is not a financial investment platform. It is also community driven, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's automated routing. The smart contract automates everything. Right? It is not AI trading. It has got nothing to do with any trading, and you are in control of your own wallet. There's no admin person that manages the funds or the payouts of this platform. X3 is not a bank or a wallet, a separate wallet on its own. It's a community, a peer-to-peer smart contract platform. Right, so the entry is very low, but it's got a huge potential, very big potential. Do not take it because the entry fee is only about 10 Rand or 55 cents in American dollars. This is to be taken lightly. There is huge potential, as you will see later on. Right, and it is not free money. You do not expect to come here and sit and the money will fall out of the sky. Right, so it's not airdrops. There's no free bonuses or any hidden rewards there. Real activity drives real results. This is for those people that can go out and see the same potential in this program and to benefit themselves and their communities as well. So it is a code-based on-chain and is voluntary. It is dependent on active levels and qualification. You need to qualify yourself. Each user or position needs to qualify to get paid. And you need to activate levels. Higher levels needs to be activated to benefit from them. Right, this is not MLM, a stock fuel, trading, mining, or investment platform. It is also not a bank, savings product, or employment. X3 is not a guaranteed return program. Right, joining alone does not guarantee any payments. There needs to be a qualification. You will see that you already saw that you only need a minimum of 2 direct referrals. That can be either from yourself because there is no KYC, or it can be other members of your community as well. Right, each position just needs its own wallet that must register on your link. Right, so let's look at the X3 has got 12 levels. So each level basically doubles in the cost and also in the potential income that you can gain from that level. So as you upgrade, as you can see here, let me get this laser pointer here. As you can see here, level 1 starts at 0.001, then it goes to 0.002, then it doubles to 0.004, all of it up until level 12, which will cost you 2 BNB. But if you can upgrade right from the start to level 12, then you just need to add up all of them, and that's basically just over 4 BNB. If you add up all of these together to reach level 12. All right, but also as you double in cost in upgrade, you will also increase and in the earnings potential from each level. So let's just take this as a ballpark figure. There is 2 cycles, different cycles, but this is just a example. That on level 1 you will earn about 150 Rand. I'm just going to work on the Rand now, or let's work on the dollars. It's $58 cents. This was taken at BNB being $580. Remember, BNB goes up and down, it fluctuates, so this might differ from day to day. You can earn a potential $8 from level 1 alone if you complete that. From level 2, you will see it double, $16. But it costs you $1.16 for level 2. Level 3 will cost you $2.30 plus level 1 plus level 2. So that's about $3. You're going to make $32 there. Right, so level 4 is going to cost you $4.64 and you're going to make $65 there. Around $65. So everything as you upgrade to the levels, that will everything will double, and so your income will double as well, your potential income. Right, so all members must start at level 1 and upgrade to any level that they are comfortable with. Right, you can upgrade, you don't have to wait for the system to upgrade you. You can if you want to. There is absolutely nothing that hinders you from doing that. But you can also upgrade all the way to level 12 if you want to. And the level costs and potential earnings doubles as you upgrade to the next level. You benefit from all activated levels if qualified. What that means is if you are on level 5, for example, you will benefit from level 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So not only level 5, then you will benefit from level 1 to 5. If you are on all 12, you will benefit from all 12. You do not only benefit from the highest level. Right, so take note that the BNB value is the same. That will always stay the same, but the fiat value, that will differ on a daily basis. Because the rand and the dollar value of BNB, it differs, it goes up and down on a daily basis. Right, and we do not have any control over that. So you need to be active on that level to benefit from that level. So you cannot benefit from level 7 if you are not on level 7 yet. You need to activate that level. All right, so let's look at potential or planning or strategy. Some people say no, that it's going to take too long for them. So we suggest you upgrade straight to level 4, 5, or 6. And let's look at the examples here. So again, there's the first cycle is cycle 1, where you receive 6 payments directly to your wallet. Cycle 2 is you will receive 7 payments directly to your wallet. Let's look at the difference here and what it's going to cost you. Right, so level 4 is about $4. So let's just double this. Remember, everything doubles, so you have to pay for the levels below you as well. So level 1, 2, 3, 4 will cost you about what level 5 costs, and that's about $10. But what can you earn from level 4 alone? Remember, that's the cost of level 4, including 1, 2, 3, 4, which will be the same as level 5. Right. On level 4, you will earn on your first cycle about $130 if that one completes. Remember now, you're not going to earn from level 4 only. You're going to earn from level 1, 2, 3, and 4. But this is only level 4 figures, yeah. On cycle 2, you will earn 147 because there's one extra payment. Right, so level 6, that's going to give you $520 on the first cycle alone. On the second cycle, it's $590. Remember now, level 6, you qualify to earn from level 1 to 6, not only level 6. Right, so cycle 1, you're getting 6 direct payments directly to your wallet on your board, on your 14 slot payout matrix. And then on cycle 2, you're getting paid 7 times. There's 7 positions that's going to pay you directly to your wallet. Then you need to qualify with 2 directs to qualify to get paid. You need to support those 2 and get them qualified as well, and build the depth of your structure or your team. Right, so start small and upgrade to higher levels. The choice and the pace remains at your own disposal. You choose how you want to build this, how you want to do it. So more levels, more active levels can create more opportunity, but the results are never guaranteed. keep that in mind. There needs to be action that needs to be taken, right? And now, how does this matrix work? There is two different matrix views for you. First one is the referral tree and the payout matrix. The payout matrix is the one that needs to be understood. The referral tree is just showing who referred who. And this is not the payout matrix. Right, so position number 1 referred 2 and 3, and 2 referred 4 and 5, 3 referred 6 and 7, and they referred other members as well. But they're not necessarily going to pay you and fall on this payout matrix. So let's have a look at how the payout matrix works, because that is what the smart contract rule codes are working on, the payout rules. Right, so they look very similar, but it's to be understood clearly that they are not the same. You will use the referral tree to determine some movement in where the payments are going from your payout matrix. Right, so each board or position has got a referral tree and a payout matrix. Now, this is the 14 slot payout matrix, and this is how the funds are routed. There is 14 positions on every payout matrix. The first two positions support your upline. So the first one on the left will spill up to one position above you to your upline. The second position spills up 2 levels to his upline, his or her upline. Now the green positions is what's going to pay you on the first cycle. So 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is going directly to your wallet when they are populated. Right. Position number 4 is held by the smart contract for auto upgrade, and when position 5 comes in, it upgrades you automatically to the next level. So you don't have to do anything there. You don't have to pay extra. Right. It's just teamwork, and that will happen. Many members are building it themselves as well. You have the complete freedom of choice to choose how you want to do that. Right, so then they will position or slot number 7 is going to, all the red ones is going to support your downline. It's going to spill down. So 7 spills down 1 level to your left. And that is where the referral tree comes in. So 1 position to your left, this is your first level. So that's 1 level down, 1 position to your left, and it's going to fall under number 2 in this case. Right, so whoever is your first one, it's going to support in his matrix. Position number 10 is going to spill down 1 level to your right. Again, that is going to take you to number 3, and it's going to fall under number 3's matrix because it's to your right 1 level. Right, and then number 13 is going to spill down two levels to your left also. Right, and so in this case it will be, this is level 1, level 2, it will fall under number 4. So in number 4's matrix, that number 13 will fall, yeah. So 13 will spill down 2 levels. In this case, it will go and land in number 4's payout matrix. Wherever it lands in the payout matrix of 4, it will also follow the same rules as this. Let's say this is number 4 and it falls in a spill down position, it will still spill down. Or if it falls in a position 1 or 2 or a recycle position, then it will still follow those rules. Right, and position 14 is just the recycle position back into the same level. You only enter a level once on cycle 1, and once it completes, you go to the next cycle, but you stay on the same level. You have already been upgraded if you are not upgraded already. Right, so what is the qualification in X3 Matrix? It's very, very simple and easy actually. 2 directs are required to receive BNB to your wallet instantly when you qualify. So they don't have to be on the same level as you also. You can be on level 5 and your 2 directs only needs to be on level 1. You just need to have 2 directs. Right, so if you're 2 directs, you have 2 directs, you are qualified. Each position must qualify under its own rules. Right, spillover does not count for direct referrals, and activated levels doesn't mean you automatically get qualified. What is going to qualify you is your direct partners, and you will see that on your dashboard, but you will know in anyways. So your direct partners is what's qualifying you. So two or more. Obviously, we encourage people to refer as many as possible because it's going to benefit you and your whole team as well. As you've seen, there is spill ups, there's spill downs, and sometimes you have to really study this to see where the payments went. What happens with if you are not qualified? Then those funds that you were supposed to receive are routed to the treasury wallet. That's basically the support wallet, but it doesn't happen so often. So yes, extra directs may assist board movement and placements. So yes, you can refer as many direct as possible. Just take note that your first two directs will fall on your referral tree. They will all fall on your payout matrix, but not necessarily on your referral tree, as this is the direct referral matrix. They will not look the same. You will have your first two, and there's only your first two will be displayed on your direct referral tree. If you refer more than two people, it will spill down. You'll have to go and find them there. Right, but it doesn't work exactly the same. That is how you qualify. That's the minimum criteria for each and every user or position. Right now, let's look in more details at cycle one. So take note, cycle one has got 6 direct payments and automatic upgrade cycle. Right, if you are not upgraded to the next level yet. So this is where position 4 and 5 comes into play. Position 4 is held by the smart contract. No one has got access to those funds. So once the position 5 comes in, then it is combined with position 4, or slot 4 and 5 combines and with the same value. If it's level 1, it's 0.001 plus 0.001, that will give you 0.002, and you will be upgraded to level 2. You will follow your upline directly into his level 2 as well. Right, and you will fall in his, wherever you land in his payout matrix, then the rules will apply to you wherever. Let's say your upgraded position falls also in position number or slot number 1 on the upgraded level. Then that level 1 will spill up to his upline again, and so it will go on. Right, otherwise it works exactly as I explained before. 6 payments directly to your wallet. Slots 7, 10, and 13 spills down. Slot 14 will re-enter you back into the same level again. There's no limit to the number of recycles that will happen to you. Remember, this is a smart contract-based system, and it can not stop. As long as the internet is active and working, we have internet access, then the smart contract cannot stop. Right, yes, also explained to you the orange slots 1 and 2 spill upwards. Green slots are payments directly to your wallet. The white slot 4 supports upgrade level. It's held by the smart contract. White slot 5 triggers the automatic upgrade. That's the execution basically to upgrade you. Red slot 7, 10, and 13 spill down to support your downline and your team, and sometimes it comes back to you. It just depends on the activity in the smart contract in your team. And then orange slot 14 is your recycle position again. That will bring you back into the same level to benefit again from the same level. So yes, there is unlimited potential here. The recycled slots always follows the upline. So cycle 1 is not only about payments, it's about handling the upgrade and the routing functions. All right, so it takes some time to clearly understand because it's a totally different new concept. I call it a dynamic payout matrix. Right, so then now you're on cycle 2. You're already upgraded. Now your cycle has been completed when you hit position 14. or slot 14 has been filled on your first cycle, you are now in the second cycle. Now the same process is going to happen again, but the difference is that slot number 4 is now being sent to the weekly Royal Pool fund. There's a weekly Royal Pool payout that supports the team who's most active or the most active users in X3. Then slot 5 becomes another direct payment to you. So you have 7 direct payments and the Royal Pool feeding in cycle 2. Just take note, if you are already upgraded to the next level, your slot 5 will also go to the Royal Pool. Right, so it's only when you are not upgraded on cycle 2 that if you're already upgraded to the next level, then your slot 5 will be a direct payment. So slot 4 becomes feeding the Royal Pool, which gets distributed every Friday at 12 midnight South African time between 4 categories, and we will have a look at that as well. Right, so the difference here is your blue slot 4 contributes to the weekly Royal Pool. So remember now, the higher levels, the Royal Pool on level 1 is only 0.001. That feeds the Royal Pool. The slot 4 on level 5 or level 6 is much higher. So the Royal Pool increases as members upgrade to higher levels as well. And the smart contract does that automatically, and members are upgrading out of their own as well. Right, so let's look at the upgrades, the packages, and the recycling. Right, so higher active levels allow higher participation in higher level routing. So the more you upgrade, the more potential, bigger potential is. And this screenshot shows you that there is a built-in calculator that you can determine yourself the rand and the dollar value with the BNB as well. Just reach out to us to it. It's actually very self-explanatory. Just use the calculations on the right. So you will just press on. You can either see if you want to upgrade from the start to level 5. This is what it will cost you in this case of the screenshot. You just press on level 1 to 5. It will auto calculate. It will give you the approximate value in rand or dollar, and that is what you will need because the BNB value will always stay the same. And here you can see that everything doubles as you upgrade to the next level. Right. You can also upgrade inside your back office values where that screenshot comes from. Right, so manual activation can unlock consecutive missing levels. You can upgrade as high as possible as you want to. Then automatic upgrading applies through cycle 1 logic only. If you are not upgraded yet and slot 5 comes in, then the smart contract will upgrade you to the next level, depending on what level you are. And that sequence will work all the way right through to level 12. All right. So recycling starts another board under the same rules. It's just cycle 1 and cycle 2. So cycle 1, you're getting paid 6 times. Cycle 2, you're getting paid 7 times. So X3 has a built-in cost calculator and an estimated potential earnings calculator, which is also on your back office, where you can determine how much it's going to cost you to upgrade and also how much you can potentially earn from the levels. Right, so this automatically converts BNB to the US dollar value and the South African rand to make it easier for members to get a idea of what it's going to cost you to upgrade without you going to Google and to other apps to look that up. It's using CoinGecko for the exchange rate. So yes, that's very up to date. But yes, upgrading increases exposure because you unlock higher levels and more potential earnings. Right, so the weekly Royal Pool is distributed every Friday at midnight South African Standard Time to 4 different categories determined by the smart contract. Nobody chooses who's winning. The smart contract decides. And the members that are more active, they are rewarded for this on a weekly basis. All right, so here you can see a screenshot. There is the top overall builder category. Then there's the top team qualifier, the member that helped support their team to qualify the most. In other words, helping their team to get 2 direct referrals. Then there's a top direct referrer, the person that, or the user that invited the most users with his link. And then the upgrade or recycle builder, the position that upgraded the furthest or most active in upgrading and recycling. And here's just a screenshot of a payout of the biggest Royal Pool payout yet. So this was, in this case, user number 2020 was the winner of that week. And in BNB, in the dollar value, he received BNB to the value of $53. That was because he was the top overall builder. So this prize money prize pool is split 40%, 20, 20. So the top builder get 40%, then it's 20, 20, and 20%. Right, so even these people, I think it was in the region of $26 that they received. Because it was a huge Royal Pool for that week. And here you can see the proof of payment that was sent to this wallet. So we do not necessarily know who that is. You just get it from the smart contract, and you send the funds directly to that wallet that qualified. Right, the smart contract manages everything for us. Yeah, this is determined by the smart contract because it is a weekly pool that changes, so people can get incentivized. This is not written in the smart contract code, and that's done by admin, the payouts. That is the only thing that is done by admin. Right, so everything is still transparent, it's on-chain, everything is there. So this is another way for you to increase your income or to qualify on a weekly basis, and it's actually very, very easy. Right, so risk, security, and responsible participation. Let's look at that. But this is actually all over the cryptocurrency industry. You need to be aware of this and practice these behavior. Make sure that you do not click on any links for phishing scams, right? And make sure you understand how to keep your wallet secure and safe. If you do not understand or know that, ask or go onto YouTube and look. All of the information is there. Right. So there is obviously a part or possible loss of all BNB if someone gets access to your wallet. If your wallets are compromised, you are responsible to keep your 12-word seed phrase safe. Write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place. Don't let it lie around. Don't take screenshots of it. Don't email it to yourself or post it anyway or take photos of it. Right, so BNB price volatility and gas fees, which is out of our hands, that is another risk that is involved here. And then smart contract and network risks, which is also out of our hands. Phishing, fake links, and wallet compromise. People, be aware, make sure that you don't click on any links. If something doesn't look right, or you don't know anything, or you haven't communicated with a company, and suddenly you're getting emails or links asking you to register, or do not do that. Use what you can to verify it. Ask someone to help you. These days, with AI, anything is possible. Use it, it's free. Just ask them to verify this, because there's lots of things that they just change a little thing and you think it looks very legit, and then they catch you. So we don't want you to lose your funds. You are responsible for your own wallet security and safety. Right, so there are no borrowing or essential household funds. So make sure that you don't borrow funds from other members, and if you do, pay it back. But be aware of this phishing alert. It is very common these days for many people to get hacked. And always use official links only. Please verify that. You can verify that. And it is explained to you here on the next slides. So here is the official link for the website of X3. It's X3. Make sure that you understand this. And you only use that link. All right, so the official smart contract address ends with 3DE37. There might be copycats that jumps up, as we've seen from scammers all over, right? Especially when new platforms are on the market. So confirm official website and contract address. Check transactions on the OPBNB Explorer, which is this one here. And compare the dashboard data with on-chain records, right? Make sure that you verify all the level activations and wallet routing, and you approve all transactions yourself, right? When you register or upgrade. The smart contract sends all other payments that is due to you directly to your wallet, right? Understand what is contract enforced against website displayed. Remember, we cannot change anything on the smart contract. We can change the website, the interface that you see on your dashboard. Things can be changed to make it easier for you to understand or to navigate. All right, so learn to verify things yourself. This is how you reduce speculation and misinformation. And if someone comes to claim something and you know that what you know is not, that they say is not correct, right? It also empowers you with knowledge, because if you have the knowledge, you will know immediately that they are talking nonsense or whatever, because people are getting hyped up, and many people are using fear to drive people's emotions. So be aware of that and use your own brain and your own knowledge, because you have all the tools these days on the internet available for free. You don't have to pay for these things, right? So let's look at practical participation planning. Just to recap, what is X3 before we end off here? Understanding X3 opens up endless potential, right? It might look very small, but believe me, there is huge, huge potential there. X3 Matrix has got 12 levels where everything doubles in value and in earnings as you upgrade to the consecutive levels as well. Every level has 14 slots on that payout matrix. It works, every level works exactly the same. The only difference is there's the value from every level. Then there's 2 cycles. Cycle 1, which accommodates the automatic upgrading, while members may also upgrade manually to higher levels. Then there's the cycle 2, where you will receive an extra payment directly to your wallet. Cycle 1 has got 6 payments. Cycle 2 has got 7 payments. Then the 2 different cycle structures, and participants may receive payments during both cycles. Remember, you don't receive only payments from one cycle. From both cycles, you will receive payments. Once the board is completed, it recycles. When position or slot 14 is occupied, you are recycled back into the same level, and that starts again the same process all over, and it will continue as long as there is activity in the team. Right, so the platform offers unlimited potential, but earnings are never guaranteed. Make sure you understand that nothing is guaranteed in any online platform. Right, so placements, routing, payments, upgrades, and recycling are managed by a decentralized, immutable smart contract, not by an admin person sitting somewhere in an office. Right, and a minimum of 2 direct referrals is required to qualify for the full benefits of the matrix. If you only have 1 direct referral, you won't get paid. You won't receive any earnings. It will be routed to the treasury wallet if you were to qualify for that payment. Right, and then it also is extremely low entry fee. And that makes it possible for most people worldwide to start very small. So what do you need? You just need a smart device, internet access, and very, very little fees upfront to start. And you need your two directs to qualify for payment, obviously. Right. So that is what we have in X3 Matrix. This is what we are just said now. So just a look at the wallet. We recommend that people use SafePal wallet, Web3 wallet. So you need to add OPBNB and yes, a screenshot of it. This is what it looks like in SafePal. If your SafePal app is updated, it will have a yellow icon. Just take note that the BEP20 BNB also has a yellow icon if your app is updated. Old apps, which is outdated, still shows a black background with a yellow icon. As long as it says OPBNB, it is the correct BNB coin. You need to add BNB onto your coins. Right, that's very easy. There's lots of YouTube videos available. Or reach out if you do not understand how to do that. And when you register, you're going to copy the link from your referrer. You will paste it into your DApp browser search bar at the top, and then you select OPBNB as the network, and then you will press go here to register. Right, and that's also the same way you're going to log in, but there is a different way to log in as well. Right, and always protect your seed phrase and your private keys, and verify every link before connecting the wallet. Make sure that when you register, you see your user ID there. That is very important. This is what the registration page will look like. So you paste the correct link in there and you press go, and this will come up here. And you will scroll down and you will press register. That will register you. It will give you your user ID, and you will be able to copy your link and send it to other people and or yourself as well. And here is also a YouTube video of how to register in X3 Matrix. Right, so final summary and call to action. Nobody is coming to build our future for us or for you. So doing nothing is also a decision. It has its own cost. To start where you can. You are not forced to do anything, but if you don't do anything, nothing is going to happen. That you must also remember. Choose your own level, move at your own pace, and take responsible, calculated actions and discover what may become possible. So your choice, your action, your future. X3 is a low entry and a fast flow matrix system. Although participation and potential results are not guaranteed, the smart contract executes according to the deployed code when its codes are met. But no technology or cryptocurrency-based systems is completely risk-free. As we explained, we cannot cover all of the risk, but we can mitigate them as far as we can. So please do not participate until you understand both how the system works and that you could lose some of the funds or all of the funds. But everything has been taken care of to minimize that risk. So you choose what you want to do. You can also choose not to participate. Remember, that is also a decision. So decide as soon as possible. If you decide today, you can change tomorrow. I thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Please reach out to the person that invited you or send you this video. If you are watching on YouTube, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel to be updated with more updates from X3 and other platforms that we are involved in. And take a note that, again, this is not financial, tax, legal advice or anything like that. You are responsible for your own decisions and do your own research. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day, good day, and God bless. Bye-bye.